in voice feminization. I've been with the company since May of 2020, and I absolutely love my job. I get to work with trans people for a living. How awesome is that? A little about me. I am a musician, singer, composer, and producer. I love and respect all genres of music, but I'm a rock and roll girl at heart. And I'm a certifiable vinyl addict. I cut my teeth on classic rock like the Beatles, the Stones, CCR. When I became a teenager in the mid-1980s, I discovered heavy metal. In the early 90s, I co-founded a heavy metal band called Unblessed. We made 2 records, and our songs are still streamed in modest numbers around the world. Music has always been my sanctuary and outlet for creative expression. In addition to feminine voice, I also teach a few guitar lessons. As a trans woman, I have a strong and inherent desire to be an advocate for the trans community. I've written and self-published 2 memoirs, chronicling my journey and experiences as a trans woman in America. I believe that telling our stories is the only way society will ever achieve a more collective understanding of the trans experience and help end the negative stigmas against us. I co-founded the Diversity Pride Center Trans Support Group in conservative Tri-Cities, Washington, and I have a podcast called Trans Chat with Christiana, on which we share and highlight the stories of everyday trans people and our allies. As an instructor and former public school teacher, I have experience working with people from all walks of life. No matter where you are in your transition, whether you are young or older like me, you can feminize your voice, and I can help you get there. Thank you for watching and considering me for your voice feminization journey. I look forward to meeting you.